The cognitive development comprehends the development of intellect, mental capabilities, imagination, thinking, emotion, volition and other mental process. The teacher's duty is to assist in the development of his abilities. This development is education. Education that does not result in the development is not worth the name. Function of the human brain are 3 viz. To know, experience and reaching a decision. The process of knowing comprehends perception and cognitive knowledge. The individual makes use of an object in its absence through employing his imagination and memory. Knowledge also includes reasoning and deciding. It is for the teacher to help the young child in perceiving, imagining, reasoning and reaching decisions. It is equally the duty of the teachers to understand the child's problem and look at them from child's viewpoint. This development enables him to do physical work and play games he could not when younger. Here this is related to individuals' physical skills and strengths. Similarly, a child at the time of his birth or in early childhood cannot be expected to perform such tasks that require high mental abilities. As he advanced in his age, his mental abilities and capacities gradually are developed and he is able to solve the problems he could not when younger. The growth and development of the mental abilities capacities which help an individual to adjust his behavior to the ever-changing environment conditions or to enable him to accomplish a task that needs complex cognitive abilities is referred to mental or cognitive development. In actual we have 3 aspects of behavior. Cognitive, psychomotor, affective or cognitive related to knowledge aspect or mental or intellectual development. Psychomotor to physical and health development and affective to emotional and idea development. A teacher to be effective must make a judicious blend of all these aspects. Cognitive development implies the development of those basic skills which help us in getting to know the environment. The formation of all awareness of the environment rests on the proper development of 5 senses, i.e., touch, taste, smell, hearing and sight. While the senses are the gateways to all experiencing the environment, the child learns from these experiences and develops an understanding of the world around him with the assistances of certain skill which are observation, memory, classification, sequential thinking, reasoning, and problem solving. Thus all these elements help in the development of cognitive behavior. Cognitive development is not merely acquiring knowledge and adding to its knowledge must be accompanied by understanding and wisdom, otherwise it is barren. Cognitive is also described as intellectual or mental development. Cognitive development or intellectual development is the development of mental abilities and capacities which help the individual to adjust his behavior to the ever-changing environmental conditions or to enable him to accomplish a task that needs complex cognitive abilities. According to J.S. Bruner, intellectual development is the capacity to deal with several choices at the same time. According to Terman, 1921, intelligence is the ability to think abstractly. According to Berner, cognitive development occurs in 3 phases: enactive, doing, iconic, object models of pictures, and symbolic, signs and symbols. For instance, for a young child, recognizing what an apple means would be touching or holding or tasting.